Khusro Betia, I Xavier Varsha Se from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will understand how to concatenate it in array when to when there are given two different name of the array. So here is the coding for concatenating array in PHP. So we can use the array merge to concatenate between two arrays. The first array name is your odd number, where the given number is odd and even number is here is the list of even numbers. So if we have to concatenate these two arrays, let us take another array whose name is all numbers. So we have to merge it. The first array first we have to write array merge function, and then you have to write odd number plus even number, and this is the way to concatenate the two array and print all numbers. So it gives the value 1 3 5 7 9 2 4 6 8 10. How does sorting in array? We can use the sort function to sort array. The sort function sorts array in reverse. Notice that sorting is done on the input array and does not return a new array. So given number is equal to 4 to 1 4 to 3 1 5, and we have to sorting them. Sorting means we have to arrange in some pattern like increasing order or decreasing order. So we have to sort this given list. So the output should be 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to use the sort function to sorting these elements and print these elements, and for printing you have to write the function name print r. Advanced array function. The array slice function returns a new array that contains a certain part of the specific array from an offset. For example, if you want to discard the first three elements of an array, we can do the following. For doing this, we have to write the code like number is given 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have to discard the three first element of an array. Then how to write it? The coding for writing this functionality is print r array slice and numbers 3. That means put over the three sentence from the given array, right? We can also decide to take a slice of a specific length. For example, if you want to take only two items, we can add another argument to the function. So number 1 2 3 4 5 6 given, and print r is equal to array slice 2 3 and 2. The array slice function does exactly the same, however it will also remove the slice return from the original array in the case the numbers variable. So here is the given number is equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and print array splice number 3 2 and print r numbers. That means I want to decide to take a slice of a specific length, and then we want to print the list. So the using this code you have to get output 1 4 5 6 and including 3 2, but here is a array splice. We want to remove this slice return from the original array. In this case the numbers variable. So 1 4 5 6 is your output result. Thank you class. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you.